What's your name?
My name is Bianca Ryan.
What are you going to do for us?
I'm going to be singing.
Okay, singing what?
And I'm Telling You I'm Not Going by Jennifer Holliday.
That's a big song, Mama. All right, let's hear it.
And I am telling you I'm not going. You're the best friend I'll ever know. There's no way I could ever go. We're part of the same balloon. We're part of the same time. We both share the same blood. We both have the same mind. And time is on. We pass through much to see it. No, 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 no. I'm not waking up tomorrow morning and finding that there's nobody there. Nobody that's away. No, 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 no. Living without you. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying in you, you're gonna love me. You're gonna love me, love me, love me,
Okay, that was unbelievable.
Thank you.
You are my favorite contestant in this competition.
Thank you.
I'm done.
Change your hair, change your dress, change your shoes, and you will win this tournament. I have never heard a voice like that on an 11-year-old in my life. You came on this stage and you blew us away.
Wow. You know what, kid? You're a star. You're going to vote, for God's sakes?
I don't think we should even bother to vote. Just
Yeah, you're
go
coming
off and
back.
come
I can't even just...
Everybody get on your feet for this girl.
Yeah.